Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Actually, no, I'm sorry. Welcome to my channel. So today I just wanted to do something a little more complicated. I know last time I already did like the most simplest look with like one of the best palettes, and I don't want people coming for me and for my neck and for my inheritance and what am I saying? So today I'm just gonna be doing something out of the box. I've never tried glitter liner before, and Shop Miss A has like $1 glitter liners. So I was like, why the heck not? Why not? And I also tried the mini masquerade from Juvia's Place and some more Nora Cosmetics liquid lipsticks because I'm really a fan of like the colors. I know that they're drying, but there's a way around that, so you know, I mean, whatever. Today I'm actually wearing what is this, foxy brown and a little bit of sassy chick, just to give it a little bit of like a maroon undertone. So yeah, I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and please subscribe to my channel, and please press the notification bell if you want to see a lot more of this face, and if you want to hear a lot more of this annoying ass voice that This video won't be as long as the last one, I promise. I hope, but I hope you enjoyed, and let me know what you think in the comments down below. This time around, I want my brow to be a lot darker than last time, like a lot, because I'm going for a really strong eyeshadow look. I mean, I've got the tape and everything. No, I'm not trying to give myself a facelift. It's just, you know, so that I can get like that precision that I really need to get for like, you know, the look that I'm going for today. I actually don't even know what I'm gonna do, like with the colors. I'm just going in. So I'm gonna use this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Kit. It's in the shade Ash Brown. Yo, you guys wanna see this? Like, this is...
Oh my god.
So I'm just gonna use my Zoeva, I think this is the wing liner brush 317. I'm just gonna dip into the pomade and then dip into the powder because it does come with its own pomade. And then I'm just gonna do what I usually do with the pencil, but just with the brush this time. So up by hair strokes, like I said last time, right in the beginning there, and then as we like move along further along the brow, we're just gonna mimic your hair strokes. I don't know, it just helps so that you don't have like a really crazy looking brow. And I'm trying to have like a really light hand here because this brow kit, the dark color is like super, like it's like a really dark brown. It's almost black looking, so trying to be careful. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and conceal with my ColourPop concealer in Rich Tan, just underneath my brows as usual. And I'm using the Peach Cosmetics, this is the number 14 brush from the 18-piece Pro brush set from Nita Makeup BW. I'll just link it below, don't worry. So now I'm just dragging this concealer downward just toward the lid because I'm going to be using that as an eyeshadow base as well. But this time around I'm going to be using another ColourPop concealer in a lighter shadow.
What?
In a lighter shade. What the hell is a shadow? Shade, just to, you know, give me like a lighter base so that my eyeshadow colors pop a little more. So my brows are gonna be a little more dramatic this time around. Just a little though, not like too dramatic. But at the same time, I don't want them to be too strong so much so that they just take away from the look and it's like super distracting, if you know what I mean. And don't worry about concealing the top of your brows now. Like, you can just always do that anytime. For now, I just want to focus on like the lid. I know y'all are already thinking, okay, that is a really super light concealer. Why did you have to add like a lighter one? I just want the colors to like, you know. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of the shade. I think this is tan. That one was a rich tan, yeah. ColourPop no filters too. So I'm just gonna add that on my lid. I just want to show you guys the difference that makes. That really lightens the lid there. Now I'm going to take a softer concealer buffer brush. This is the AOA Studio High Def E101 brush, and I'm just going to dip it into my setting powder, and I'm just going to like lightly pat my setting powder on my lid just so that it sets that concealer. And right after that, I'm just gonna sweep it away because, you know, whoa, wow, this brush absorbs powder like crazy. I was not ready for that. I'm gonna sweep that powder away because what a wow. What the hell?
Looking like Casper the Friendly Ghost.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it.
Okay, so now I'm gonna start with the star of the show. I got the Juvia's Place Mini Masquerade palette. Yes, I did. Yes, I did. This is what it comes in. A little bubble wrap thing, just so it's protected and everything. And this is what it looks like. So pretty. Such a pretty pink. Oh, hold on. So there's like a little plastic that's covering. Oh. There's like a little plastic here that covers the shadow. You know, I can already see myself going for like, you see this right here, this right here, you know, basically just right here. Yeah. So I've already gone in with the shade Morocco from the Nubian 2 palette by Juvia's Place as well. So now I'm just gonna dab into Cairo a little bit, and I'm just gonna try and intensify. Woohoo! Okay, I'm just gonna try and intensify that outer corner there. Whoa, Juvia's, Okay. Now I'm just gonna go in with the shade Ada, just to darken that outer corner again, just a little bit. Let me see how that looks. Not bad. It looks a little too, I don't know. I thought it'd be a little darker than this, but okay, you know what? I like the shade, but it's not as dark as I thought it would be. So I'm gonna go in with that black shadow from Beach Cosmetics, the one with the little blue specks from the palette that shall not be named. I'm gonna try and use like a black eyeshadow just to smoke out that eye a little more, just like on the furthest part of the crease there, just so that it gives the eyes a little you know, I don't know. I'm actually just gonna pack on that shadow just till I get the intensity that I want, because I want it to be like a really strong black. Now I'm taking the shade Ada again, and I'm just blending out that the top part of that black color, just to blend it into the eye, just to avoid any harshness around there, and just to make it look a little more seamless. Yeah. And this takes time, guys. I know like it looks like I'm doing like this in like 2 seconds. It takes time to blend and to build color and to blend and to build color and to blend.
2,000 years later.
But it's gonna be worth it once you're done. Now I'm gonna cut the crease, and I really want my crease to be the same size and to look the same. So usually what I do is I put my mirror right below my nose and I just try and draw the crease out. And I'm using my ColourPop No Filter Concealer in Tan. So I don't mind drawing out my crease and then filling it in later. There's absolutely no problem with doing that. Wait, now let's see if we can do that to the other eye. Oh my gosh, this makes me so nervous. I hate doing this. Like, if you mess up, your eyeshadow just looks so weird. So now that we've cut our crease, I hope it looks even, yo. Like I'm all confident in everything and it's not even the same. I'm gonna take the shade Giza, and I'm just gonna put it in like the inner corner right here. On both sides of my eye, yeah? Just gonna try and pack it on right there. I don't wanna go overboard though, because we're using other colors. Alright. Giza. That's about it. Alright, so this eye I did like lashes and the glitter whatever off camera because it just takes way too long. So because I also just wanted to show you guys like how to do the whole, you know, colors in the crease. So I'm gonna use the shade Daya, I think Daya, and I'm just gonna pack it on right after the shade what was that? Giza. If you've already done like your your base, your foundation and everything, and you're trying to avoid fallout, another way to pack on your shimmers is to just turn your brush around and just pack them on this way so that your lashes catch the glitter. You get? Yeah. But I'm not gonna do that because I don't have any base and it takes way too long to do that. And then I'm gonna take the shade Casablanca, the one I've been dying to use this whole time. Oh, the shade is popping, and I'm just gonna put it on the furthest part. So basically we have like an ombre effect, but not so much so of an ombre effect, just so that we have a fade out effect of those colors. I'm just gonna pack in the shade Casablanca right there. We don't have that smooth like transition from the shimmer to the black matte as we do have on the left eye. So I'm gonna take another brush and I'm gonna dip it into the shade Zulu first, just so that it's not too extreme, like from shimmer to black. No, it's shimmer to brown to black. I think that would look a little more natural. I'm just gonna blend that out gently, gently, gently. Not too much though, otherwise your crease is gonna look smaller than the crease that's this side, and that is the mistake that I find myself making a lot. Like when I blend, I overblend the dark color into the shimmer, and then it overtakes everything. Shimmer, shimmer. Who got the keys to money? Now I'm taking this glitter liner from Shop Miss A. I don't know, it's just the gold glitter liner and it's $1. I'm so cheap. I'm basically just gonna line the crease, basically where that crease meets the transition shade. That's where I'm gonna put the glitter. I've seen this on Instagram, and you know, I got these glitter liners just because I want to see. And you know, my friend Beauty by Nami, so she's a really great makeup artist, and she did a look like this, and I was like, girl, I need to do this. Check out her YouTube, by the way. Check it out, Beauty by Nami. And after this, you should just go straight to her channel. So I got these two foundations, the Maybelline Fit Me foundation. This is $3.55 and this is $3.65. This is pecan, this is espresso, pecan, whatever. Like, click sliding, bro, click sliding. I'm here thinking that this is my shade. I'm hoping this is my shade, but it looked a little too red when I swatched it on my hand. So I'm just gonna try and see what's up with that. So let me just show y'all. Okay, so that's $3.55. Doesn't look too bad, but it's like, whew. So I'm gonna go in with my The Ordinary High Adherence Silicone Primer, and I absolutely love the way this primer feels on my skin. It's a little hydrating, but it's silicone based, so you can still feel that weird finish that silicone primers and all foundations have. So yeah, this is just gonna be great for oil control and for filling in pores and all of that good stuff. So I'm just putting it around my forehead, my cheeks, chin, dragging it down towards my neck because, you know. So yeah. Alright, so I'm using, I don't like this because I'm used to pumps. Pumps kind of like control how much foundation I use, and this is just like, yeah, no, tapiwa. You have free reign, babes. Free reign. Okay, so this is supposed to be a matte poreless foundation, and it's supposed to be good for people with normal to, oh my gosh, okay, that is so red. Okay, seriously, that is so red. Okay, it's, what do you think? Is that my shade or is it too red?
Jesus, take the wheel.
The coverage is good, it's just really red. Like, I did not expect it to be so red. Okay. Okay, so I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna just go on and use it, and then I'm gonna use a super yellow concealer, and I'm probably gonna have to OD on the concealer just so that I can, yeah, for some reason I feel like it matches my forehead better than the rest of my face. But yeah, let's just do. I feel like this is like two different shades, but the good thing about going like with the darker foundation is you can always make up for it somehow. It's better than going with the lighter one and then you look so ashy, and flash photography is your enemy, and whew. Okay, I'm gonna deal with like the underneath on my eye when I'm done with my foundation, by the way, so please don't tell me that I look crazy. I know I look so orange right now, so I'm just gonna take my ColourPop concealer in Rich Tan, and oh, I hope this is Rich Tan. Oh, this is warm honey. Snap. So I'm just gonna go right over that. Let's see what we can do. I'm gonna have to really OD on concealer today, and I hate doing that because I feel like it's unnecessary. But right now, and I even have to have that on my forehead too, because what a wow, man. This is just a lot. So I'm taking my F3 brush from Shop Miss A. I can't find the brush that I was talking about last time that I really like, the fact that it's angled and stuff. So let's just see what this can do. It's not as dense though. Okay, what I'm gonna do is blend that like a little into the nose, just a little bit, as a way of contouring, like reverse contouring, and then dragging it across my cheek and right underneath my eye. Okay, so this brush is kind of making me work a little harder than the other one. It's softer. Okay, we're getting somewhere, right? No. I feel like this looks a little better, less orange, I hope. Guys, I don't know how it looks on camera, but I hope it looks good. Now I'm taking the shade 355 to contour my face. It's basically just a color that's a lot warmer than my face. You don't have to go like 15 shades deeper for your contour, but if you want to do that, honestly, who am I? I don't buy your makeup. I don't buy your makeup. I don't pay your credit card. You can do whatever the hell you want.
Do you, boo-boo?
So I'm just gonna place it on the places that I kind of want to like add shadow back to my face, because like I said last time, concealer, foundation, they really do flatten out your face sometimes. Okay, now I'm using a smaller brush to contour my nose, and I'm just gonna, okay, where's the product though? What the hell? So now that I'm setting my face, and I've also kind of like smoked out the bottom lash line because I just needed to give it a life, I'm just gonna contour the rest of my face lightly though, because I feel like that powder is kind of like strong on the contour. I'm just gonna contour my forehead as well. Don't worry, I'm just placing it right now, and then afterwards we can always just blend it in. So I think I did a good job with like hiding the orange of that foundation. What do you think? Does it still look orange? Because whew, I was kind of giving everybody Oompa Loompa vibes earlier, like wow. Alright, now I kind of want to just blend everything together with a really big brush, and we'll be all done. Alright, so I'm done. So now I'm going to be doing my lips. I'm using two Nora Cosmetics liquid lipsticks. This is Sassy Chick and Foxy Brown. And this is like a super neutral brown too, so I don't even mind it. I am mad. This is the final look. Comment down below and tell me what you guys think, and while you're commenting and thinking about it, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I'm not sure where the button is, and please like, and don't forget to press that notification bell so that every time I post something new, you're the first one to check it out. You know, you don't want to be left out. Also I'm also on Instagram, Love Typey, so there's no confusion in everything, just straight from there to here to there to here. And if you wanna maybe do something a little more simple, something that will take your time but it will take longer to watch, I'm gonna leave the link right here. And yeah, you and I both know that you're gonna click another YouTube video, so it might as well be mine, you know. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed that too, and thank you so much. I'll see you guys next time.